Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like the video, please click the bell button and like and subscribe. Today I am going to explain data encapsulation and how it's going to work, and the execution part also I will show. I'm using Eclipse IDE. You can use any IDE for your convenience. You can use NetBeans also, not a problem. First and foremost thing is, what is data encapsulation? Data encapsulation is a process of giving controlled access by considering an important aspect called as private. If you declare any value as a private, you can use that value within these functions. You can't send that value to another class if you declare it as a private. In real time, we can say some examples like, if you consider a bulb, inside a bulb, filament will be there. For that filament, we don't have direct access to it. If we get a direct access to that filament, bulb may destroy. If you do some damage to a filament, bulb functionality may go wrong. Bulb functionality will not work if you get any damage. So that purpose, if you access that filament indirectly, like the bulb is covered with the glass, by using glass there will be an electricity flowing through it, then bulb, that filament does its functionality by giving light, right? Similarly, apply same thing in a data encapsulation. Private is an important aspect here, so we don't have direct access to it. If you don't have direct access to it, what we do, we need to access indirectly. So we need to access indirectly that x value here. We need some methods. So the methods, by using that methods, we can able to access the value indirectly. So this is the set value one method I have written. Here this method will take the one value, that value given to an x. This is the my program. This is my class data encapsulation. How the execution part will begins means, first OS will come and send the control and see the main method. If we see the main methods, control get inside and check this statement. Here one object is created for the class encapsulation. This is actually encapsulation isn't like a constructor. We are calling a constructor. Once OS control sees this statement and equals button here, it is right associativity, so that it will work right side part. Here there is no parameters or anything we are passing. This is the constructor, but here we have not written any constructor encapsulation. But in Java, James Gosling designed in a manner, if we are not written any default, if you are not written any constructor, By default itself, one default constructor will be created. Okay, that I will going to explain in coming classes. Now let's just look into encapsulation. Where, yeah, see, this is the object is created for that encapsulation class. So what this object does means it set a value. For x we have initialized a private here. For that value it's passing 3000 to it. So the 3000 value will come on place here. That value is given to x. Then again control comes here. It sees a next statement to print that value. So e dot get value. Get value function is returned here. So inside the get value function, the value will be returned. Control comes out when after this return hex, control sees the closing braces and two closing braces. So control comes with a value 3000 and give it here. That value will be printed on the monitor screen. See, if I run this command, 3000 will be printed. After that, one more closing brace will be there. Program will going to complete its execution. This is all about data encapsulation. Let's do quick recap. What is data encapsulation? Data encapsulation is a process of giving controlled access of an important aspect called as private. If we want to indirectly access the private object, we have to use the two types of methods. One is setter, another one is getter. Yeah, this is all about today's class. If you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel and try to look forward for next coming classes. Thank you.